Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a look and unboxing a used iPhone 11 Pro. So I picked this up off of Amazon, as you can see here from the box, via the Amazon Renewed. So I picked it up for $400, and it is the gold 64GB version. And when you open it here, this is what you're greeted with. So you have the phone right here on the left side, and then you have a little pamphlet on the right side with some basic documentation and so on and so forth. And then underneath that little packet there, you do get a charging brick and a lightning cable for charging of the phone, obviously. So the one caveat, however, with these two accessories right here is that neither the charging brick or the lightning cable are authentic Apple cables. They are off-brand third-party cables and charging bricks. So I don't really like that, but it's, I guess, nice still that it does include it. So in the little literature packet here, you get some various things. You get a SIM removal tool, which is kind of nice if you need to remove the SIM card, obviously, because you're going to need to put your own card in here. And some various other things and quick start guides and all that good stuff. And as we can see here, the phone is wrapped in what appears to be some sort of a plastic. Now, obviously, this is not retail packaging plastic. It is a plastic covering that Amazon puts over the phone themselves. But let's go ahead and take that off of the phone so we can get a better look at what we're dealing with here. So, upon first impressions, the phone appears to be in actually nearly pristine condition. Shining the screen in some light here, we can kind of see that there is effectively no scratches at all on the screen, which is pretty amazing considering the age of this phone. This phone is now actually 3 years old. So yeah, I mean, that's whoever had this previously must have had it in a case and basically kept really good care of it. The side rails, let's see, those appear to be in near perfect condition as well. No scratching at all anywhere. The back, even the Apple logo is pristine. There is absolutely no scratches anywhere on that. Of course, there are the typical smudges that you might come across. So let's go ahead and see if we can turn it on and get it booted up here and check it out and see how the battery health is. All right, and there we go. We are set up and ready to go. Swipe up, go home. And here we are on the home screen. So it is currently running, it looks to be iOS 15, but let's go ahead and actually go into settings and verify that real quick. And if we see right there, it does appear to be running the latest version of iOS 15, which is currently 15.7.1. And it looks like it's currently installing apps. It looks like it's trying to install a bunch of the default built-in apps. I'm not really sure why it's having to try to download and install those, because those should already be pre-installed on the phone. So I'm not exactly sure why it's doing that, but real quick, let's go over here to settings and check the battery health and see how we're looking on that. Go right here and battery health. And all right, so this phone does look like it is slightly below 90% health. This one is currently sitting at 88%, which is not bad. But it is on the verge of needing to be replaced. Probably once this hits about 80%, it is going to need to be replaced. Real quick, let's take a look and compare it to some other phones here. So this here is an iPhone 10, which is about 2 generations older than this phone right here. But the iPhone 10 is the exact same design and same size, essentially, as the 11 Pro. With the exception of the back being different. This has a frosted kind of textured glass, whereas the iPhone 10 has a glossy glass back. And then obviously the cameras are completely different. The 11 Pro has a triple camera setup and the iPhone 10 only has dual cameras. Now, if I bring in another phone, which is even older, now this is an iPhone 6S from 2015. As you can see, they are almost the same in size. The 11 Pro has a bigger screen, but basically the same exact size overall body as that of, say, a 4.7-inch sized phone. I would say for anyone that is in the market for a used iPhone and doesn't want to spend a huge amount of money, but also wants to still have decent performance and fairly modern features, I would probably have no hesitation to recommend this phone right here, the 11 Pro. It is a solid phone and is still going to last you for quite a few more years of support and just overall general use. If you guys have any questions, drop those down below in the comment section and I will try to answer them the best as I can to my knowledge to whatever the question may be. So, and as well, if you guys could give this video a like, I would really greatly appreciate it. And if you could also hit that subscribe button, that is also very much greatly appreciated and helps out the channel. Again, with that all being said, hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.